Good morning, students. Our today's topic is Festivals of India. We will see types of festivals of India and then we will study national festivals of India in detail. Today we will start with what is a festival. A festival is an event celebrated by a community centering and focusing on some important aspect of that community, their religion or traditions, often marked as a holiday. So, what is one important reason to have festivals and celebrations? We can enjoy life, be proud of our customs, forget our work for a little while. Festivals are often marked as holiday for busy people. Now, types of festivals which are celebrated in India. Festivals are of three types. First is national festivals, second religious festivals, and third is harvest festivals. Now, first is national festivals. Festivals which are celebrated by the entire nation are called national festivals. There are three national festivals of India. Number 1, Republic Day. Number 2, Independence Day. Number 3 is Gandhi Jayanti. Now we will study these festivals in detail one by one. Republic Day. India became a democratic republic on 26 January 1950. We celebrate it as Republic Day. On this day, the foundation of constitution of our country was laid down. So we celebrate 26 January every year as Republic Day. The main function is held at Rajpath, Delhi. A special parade is taken out by the armed forces. Second is Independence Day. India became independent on 15th August 1947. So the Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the flag at Red Fort in Delhi and gives a speech. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is better known as Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as the father of the nation of India. He always believed in ahimsa and fought against the British without violence. He said, "Be the change you want to see in the world." So, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. So, his birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year in India. So, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.